Okay. Now let's review. Let's review. Let's review multiplication and division again. Multiplication and division again, because these are important lessons for all of your next years in elementary and middle schools. Okay, multiplication and division, very important for your elementary years and middle school years. Okay, now we have here a multiplication table which will help you a lot in uh, memorizing and learning multiplication and division. Okay, so let's take this. Let's take this row first. Okay, let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 column. So these are the rows. These are the rows, right? And these are the columns. Okay, this column here, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and column 5. Okay, first, you can use this to learn a lot about multiplication and division. Okay, let's say this one here times 2 is 2. You see? This one here, 1 times 2 is 2. 2, this 2 here times this 2 here equal 4. 3 times 2 here is 6. You see it? 4 times 2 is 8, right? And then 5 times 2 is 10. 6, this 6 here times 2 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14. 8. You see it? 8 times 2 here is 16. 9 times 2 is 18. Okay? So let's do it again. It needs practice. We need to practice, and you use this only first line, first row. You see it? And then you multiply each one of these numbers by 2, for example, and the answer will be those ones here: 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so each one of these numbers multiplied by 2. The answer is this one here: 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8, and so forth. Okay, now if we have uh, um, if we have 1 times 3 is 3, right? 1, this one here, times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. See? So now 2, we go to the next one, and then we go 2, 2 here, times this 3 here. What's the answer? This one here, 6. 3, this one here, times this 3 is 9. You see it? Okay, follow me? So 4 times 3 is this 12 here. 5 times 3 is 15. 6 times 3 is 18. This one here. 7. This 7 times 3 is 21. So it's very important to select the number and go. The answer should be corresponding to the number in the column times the number in the row. So 7 times 3 is 21. You see it? So it goes like this, and then like this. Okay, understand? So 8 times 3 is what? We go to where the 8 and 3 intersect, right? They meet. 8 here and 3 times 3 is 24. It has to be where the 8 and 3 meet. Okay? Okay. 9 times 3, where do they meet? They meet here at 27. So that is 9 times 3. Okay. How about 1 times 4? 4. 2 times 4 is 8. This one here. 3 times 4 is 12, and so on and so forth. Practice. It is really, really easy after you practice for a while. Okay. And I will see you next video. Now, the question for this video is, what is number 8 river? Number 8 longest river in the world. Number 8 longest river in the world. I will see you next video to give you the answer.